Plaintiffs Pamela Waters and Raymond Zimmerman are suing Raymond's ex-girlfriend for court fines, attorney fees, and emotional distress. Pamela and Raymond claim the defendant was abusive to Raymond, causing him to have a split lip and a black eye. Defendant Christina Adams admits she was arrested for slapping Raymond in the face, but she believes he burned her daughter with a cigarette, so her actions were justified.
All right, the plaintiffs are suing the defendant for court fines, attorney's fees, and emotional distress. Pamela and Raymond, state your case.
I've known Christina Adams since she was about 14, 15 years old. She's been dating my son Raymond on and off since that time, and it's been a living hell for my family. During a time when they were broke up, she did become impregnated by another man. She had that child, which now her mother has because she's an unfit mother.
Are you the mother?
I'm Christina's mother.
All right. Would you please stand? Christina, who has custody of your child?
I have custody. She has guardianship.
How is it that you have guardianship?
She brought Emily over to me one day and she was burnt by a cigarette on the finger. I took Emily for Emily's safety from both of them because neither one of them could tell me who did the cigarette burn.
How old is Emily now?
She is 3.
Thank you. Have a seat. You got custody back?
She still has parental rights. I have complete guardianship.
That's not custody. Parental rights is not custody.
Okay.
Why is your daughter not living with you?
Of one, the relationship that Ray and I had together.
What kind of relationship?
It was an abusive relationship.
It was?
Yes.
Did you call the police?
That's not true.
Quite a few times.
On him?
Yes.
So is it not true that she called the police? Is that what you're saying? Did she call the police?
No.
She never called the police? Make him a liar and prove to me you called the police.
I have a copy of...
Did you call the police on her?
Yes.
Okay, so is this a mutually abusive relationship?
She gave me a black eye and a split lip.
Really?
Christina's been witnessed on several occasions beating Raymond up. Her mother has no idea.
Did you call the police?
Yes, we did.
Did you have police reports, Raymond?
Go ahead.
We should have, yeah.
May I see them?
Yeah. You got them? She's got all the paperwork. I'm sorry about that.
On this statement, I've seen Christina with a black eye twice, and that was what her mother gave her. And here's Christina's own statement saying her mother gave her the black eye,
well,
not
let me see your
Raymond.
son's police reports and stop. You know what? The mothers are going to get into fisticuffs here. I can feel it.
To start off with, I've never hit Christina, but I've seen him hit Christina. And the night that they called the law on her, I was on the phone with Chrissy, and I heard him yelling at her, telling her that she was a no good, such and such. She hit him. And then he ran home to mommy, and mommy and grandmother made him call the law.
Are you still together?
No.
Thank God.
When's the last time you were together?
Last time we were together was back in April.
Back in April.
Restraining order
Let me ask you. You have a restraining order
Yes,
against him.
I do.
So, Ray, you lied to me when you said the police weren't called. I've got Christina against Ray, Christina against Ray. Incident narrative.
I admit I was arrested once for slapping him in the face.
And she went through anger management courses and everything.
Yep.
Everybody's beating everybody else up. Why don't you just turn around and leave each other? And you know what I'm hearing? I'm hearing that you left your daughter because you're in a relationship with him. Did Child Protective Services investigate the cigarette burn?
No, I took the child before Child Protective Services could get involved.
Hogwash.
I did.
Does CPS know about that baby?
Not as far as I'm aware of, no.
Why not?
I
got a baby with a cigarette burn. I believe the police need to be involved. Christina, why aren't you standing up for your baby? If you didn't burn that baby, if you think he did, why aren't you calling the police on him?
Because at the time I didn't want to believe it was him.
Well, who was it? The boogeyman? If it wasn't you, then it's him. How old is this baby? 2?
She's 3 now, and that's why I have her, and that's what I told her.
I'm not talking to you. You know what? You're an apologist. Sit down. Sit down. It's not about the two of you. I got a flash for you. It's not about Pamela and it's not about you. It's about her and him and a 2-year-old baby who's got a cigarette burn, and somebody should be prosecuted for it.
That wasn't even a cigarette burn. What it looked like, because I checked her daughter's hand out, what it looked like a blister. like she touched a hot oven or a stove or something.
I don't want anybody analyzing a burn injury that's now blistered on a 2-year-old. Okay, don't you apologize either. You either get yourself involved or report her to Child Protective, or she should have reported you to the police. And that's why I've got a 2-year-old with a grandmother, because she chose you. The two of you are involved in mutual combat. I've got police reports from both sides, and I've got an innocent who's growing up watching this craziness. Why you here?
Okay, and that Christina has no means of supporting her, let alone a child. And then
Can't hold a job, Christina?
I have had the job that I'm working with now for almost 2 years.
Okay, she says she's been working for 2 years.
she only works approximately 10 hours every 2 weeks with a paycheck of $45.13.
Who's
for
the father
a
of the
2-week
baby?
period.
Not your son.
No.
Okay. All right. So it's nice of you to worry about how much she makes, but go ahead.
Ray got laid off.
Who's paying the rent?
My mom had been paying the rent.
The first apartment that they lived in, I paid the rent every month. I even paid the security deposit.
All right, the two of you are complaining about these kids. Tell them to get a job and don't give them any money. Sit
And
down.
I
agree.
You know, I mean, this is crazy. Mom, sit down. All right, now you don't like her. She says she's working for 2 years. You says she's not. Meanwhile, your son's not working. Meanwhile, he's not the father of the baby. So who cares?
So anyways, Ray moved back home. She moved to North Carolina. Why? I don't know. She was supposed to send $80 for Ray to purchase this vehicle that I got arrested for.
$80 to purchase a vehicle?
Correct.
What is it, a matchbox? What,
Yeah,
$80?
well, it was a vehicle that...
It was a vehicle. It was in pretty good condition. I mean,
Did it run?
Yeah.
It had wheels, tires?
Yeah, it had
steering
everything
wheel?
on it.
$80?
Yeah, that's what the neighbors.
What kind of vehicle is this?
An Oldsmobile.
What year?
Approximately in 93, I think.
94.
So what about this vehicle that you got arrested for? I'll get to that in a
Okay,
minute.
well, Christina never sent the money from North Carolina to purchase the vehicle.
Okay.
So come January,
Who is buying the vehicle from
she
whom?
was supposed to.
She
Did you
couldn't
buy
come-
it?
She couldn't come up with the money.
I did too. Yes.
How did you buy it?
I purchased a money order.
For
and
how
sent
much?
$80.
Do you have proof of that?
Yes, I do.
Talk to me, Pamela.
They were both at the credit union that day. He gave Christina the $80 out of the cash on hand that he had to get the money order
So he
for
gave
the
you the
vehicle.
$80 to buy the
No,
car? Where'd
my
you get-
mom was paying me for babysitting. That's where I got the money from.
I don't recall that, Your Honor.
All right, Mom, you're up.
She was coming to my house 3 to 4 days a week babysitting. I was giving her
She's
20
babysitting for her own daughter?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
And my 12-year-old sister.
But I was giving her $20 a day to babysit for me.
Who are you?
I'm just the witness.
You're a witness to what?
The only thing that I'm witnessing for is that Christina's mother tried to bribe us off with the whole car issue.
Did you get title to the car?
No,
Why not?
I have all the paperwork for the car, but the people who I bought the car from had to file for a lost title. Well,
Why did he have to file for a lost title?
Because he couldn't find the title to the car.
Did he give the title to someone else?
He gave all the paperwork to Pam and Raymond because from my understanding of it, from what I was told by him and his wife, is when he got out of the hospital for surgery, they showed up to get all the paperwork on the car.
There was no paperwork for the car. I purchased the vehicle from Raymond for $85.
You bought it from him? Where is
Yes.
this vehicle now?
My house.
This is why I got arrested, because she's saying I stole the vehicle. I did not steal the vehicle.
No, all this, did the police come and arrest you?
Yes.
Did they arrest you?
He got a notice in the mail. He was to be booked and bond.
For what?
Bond and released for
what?
auto theft.
So you're both charged with auto theft.
Yes.
You're charged at the scene. Sit down. You got nothing to say. The cops think that you stole this car. This $80 gem.
Christina called the sheriff's department, said that I stole the vehicle from her. Okay. Christina left and broke up with Ray. When she left that night, she said, I don't want nothing in this house. There ain't nothing here that's mine, and I'm out of here. I just don't
Did you
love
buy
him
the
anymore.
car from Ray?
Yes, I did.
How much?
85.
85?
Yes.
He made $5. A silver lining here.
Yeah. I got the bill of sale.
He gave you a bill of sale?
Yes, they did.
Then
And-
why did the police arrest you?
Because
That's what I can't figure out. That's why
Did you
I'm here.
plead? Were you convicted of anything?
Yes, I was convicted of not forthcoming with information, so I got it for obstruction.
Your Honor,
I asked Christina standing right there why she's sitting there lying, because she knows I did not steal that vehicle. That officer took me in my own home. I was in my pajamas 9:30 at night and made me strip while she watched me. That officer
in the yard?
Yes.
Why?
So she could take me to jail.
Why didn't she just pat you down?
I'm 47 years old.
I think it's a nightmare. I think it's a total nightmare. And you know who I blame? I blame him and I blame her. And you know what? Stop carrying your daughter's water. And you know what? Let your son survive or fall on his own. The only important thing we need right now is to try to settle this, and I want everyone to part ways. Yes. Now, you are a poor excuse for a mother. I'm sorry. Any kid with a cigarette burn and any mother who doesn't report it and doesn't throw her boyfriend out and is beating her boyfriend and engaged in mutual combat, you don't deserve to have a child. You know, it's been said that it's one thing to parent a child. It's another thing to be a parent to a child. Be a parent. You're lucky you have her. Sit down, Mom. Sit down.
Adams is being sued by her ex-boyfriend and his mother, who accused Christina of being abusive and being an unfit mother.
I think that Pamela really thought that she owned the car. I really do. I think she thought she bought it from Ray. She figures Ray gave Christina the money. And you know what? It's between the two of them. Wrong. You were charged with unauthorized use of a motor vehicle or criminal possession of stolen property or stealing a car, can't be grand larceny. The thing's only worth $80. That's like petty larceny. Yeah. Okay? Whatever you were charged with was legitimate, Pamela. But because what happened was, according to the police report, and you went in and tried to intercede and take the papers when she was the purchaser of the car. I think that this all has its genesis in the anger that the mothers have over the kids. She's an adult. He's an adult. Let them sink or swim themselves. All right. You can't get any court fines, attorney's fees, emotional distress. The law is on her side, which is why she's got the car. No verdict for either side. Dismissed.
I want to just move on with my life and just be done with it.
As far as the future is concerned between me and Raymond, there won't be one.